Hey there, boys and girls. How are you doing this morning? Now, I'm going to sing a song and you will guess what we're going to talk about this morning. Here are my two eyes, my two eyes. I see with my eyes, with my two eyes. Here are my two ears, my two ears. I hear with my ears, with my two ears. Here is my one nose, my one nose. I smell with my nose, with my little nose. Here is my pink tongue, my pink tongue. I taste with my tongue, with my pink tongue. Here are my two hands, my two hands. I feel and touch with my hands, with my two hands. So, what are we going to talk about today? Very good! Our five senses. Come on, show me 5 fingers. Oh yes, wiggle them. Wave your magic wand, wave your magic wand. Show me 5 fingers. Whoosh! Pull them in, push them out, in, out. Yeah. So we're going to talk about our 5 senses. Say my 5 senses. All right. But we're going to narrow down on our sense of sight. So today we're going to talk about our sense of sight. What do we use our eyes to do? Yes, I see with my eyes. So I use my eyes to see things. I look around and I see things using my 2 eyes. Very good. Now, can you look at your face like this and see your eyes? No? Okay, thank you. So if I am looking now, I cannot see my eyes. So what I will use to see my eyes? A mirror. So take your mirror up and you look at your eyes. Yes. Look at your eyeballs. You have eyelids and eyelashes. Yes, that's your eyes. 1, 2. I have 2 eyes. And you use a mirror to see your eyes. And also, if you have a photograph that you have taken, you can look at your photograph and you see your 2 eyes, right? Yes. So there are my 2 eyes there. That's how you can see your eyes. Now we're going on our chart. So here I have my 2 eyes. I see with my eyes. I see with my eyes. Now we can see many things using our eyes. Now up here I can see colors. Pretty colors. I can see red, I see orange, brown, blue, green, yellow, pink, white, black, and purple. So I see many colors using my eyes. And up here we have many colors. I can see numerals as well. I can see a plane. So we're going to play a game, I Spy. I spy. What do you spy? I spy an airplane. Yes, an airplane. Here it is. I spy. What do you spy? I spy the color red. I'm spying on the color red. Whoop, there it is. I spy. What do you spy? I spy the numeral 5. I'm spying on the numeral 5. Woo! So we can see many things around us using our eyes. I see with my eyes, with my 2 eyes. Here are my 2 eyes. Woo! My 2 eyes. Woo! I see with my eyes, with my 2 eyes. So I can open them, I can shut them. Open them, shut them. Let's go. Open them, shut them, open them, shut them. I see with my eyes. Ooh, I see with my eyes. So here we have our two eyes that we see with. Now, some persons have to use glasses because they can't see well. So I have to wear my glasses at all time because I'm not seeing so well. And some persons are visually impaired, and we Jamaicans say they are blind. Now, here's this man. He wants to find the hat, but he is visually impaired or blind and he cannot find the hat. So we're going to go help him to walk through this maze here. So here's the start point. We want to help him to find the hat. Are you ready? So he can't see, but we're going to help him. So you must help persons who are visually impaired or blind. Let's go. So we're going to take this route and we're going to help him to find a hunting we will go. A hunting we will go. Bam! So he's going to take this route. So you're going to help him to walk this route to find his hat. And that's page 56. Very good. Now, what we're going to do next is that we're going to play see things that are near or far. So I can see Smurfette because she is near. So she's near to me. I can see her. Smurfette is near. But Elmo is very far. Hello there, Elmo. So Elmo is far away. So Smurfette is near, but Elmo is far. Let's go again. So I'm standing right here. Smurfette is near, but Elmo is far. Yes. So we can see things near or far. Again, we can see things near or far. Is the state near or is it far? Very good. It's near. If I stretch it there, is it near or far? It's far. Very good. So near and far. Again, near, far. Oh, near you are. Oh, far you are. Oh, near you are. Oh, far. All right, give yourself a big clap, boys and girls. So you are going to write this. Name. Put your name there. Day, Monday. My eyes. I see you with my eyes. And to draw your eyes, all I did was to make two circles. So you just make a circle like this. One circle there, one more there. Two circles. You put a little dot in it for your eyeball. That's it. That's all. Those are your eyes. And I see you with my eyes. And that's your activity for today. Set to work, boys and girls. And remember, take care of your eyes. Don't allow anyone to stick you in your eye with anything. You must take care of your eyes. Protect your eyes. Don't put anything near to your eyes. Don't use a pencil to stick yourself in your eyes. When you're writing, keep your eyes away from your pencil because it could stick you or it could touch your eyes and it cause it to get red and you have to go to the doctor. So take care of your eyes. And remember, I see you with my eyes. Bye.